Hola Payal! This is Multnomah Falls. Yeah. Huh? So look at the falls. Look at how high. It's like 6 miles up.
182 feet up.
6 miles up. Pani. The water is falling down. Water is on my lens.
Can I jump?
You want to jump? Go ahead. Be my guest. And this falls goes down into this. Then there is this bridge, and then it comes down this side. Then it falls here, and where is it? Falls there, and we were watching from there earlier. Yeah, that's Multnomah Falls. Pretty impressive.